It seems vehicle makers have settled on serving two primary masters. While some models look to leverage engineering prowess in creating vehicles with enhanced fuel efficiency features, others simply want to pump out as much raw power as possible. In a nod to the muscle car legacy from which many of its most iconic vehicles were born, Ford recently announced that the 2018 Mustang Cobra Jet would be the fastest factory-made Mustang ever. Celebrating the Cobra's 50th birthday, the vehicle will feature a supercharged 5.2-liter Coyote V8 that Ford says will turn a quarter-mile time in the mid-8-second range and hit a top speed of 150 miles per hour. The vehicles will also feature a race-engineered suspension that includes a 9-inch rear axle and 4-link coil-over suspension. Other special features will include Racetech FIA seats, specially designed Weld Racing wheels, and an NHRA-certified roll cage. Only 68 of the vehicles will be made, with only two paint choices, the original Race Red and Oxford White. If all of those sound more like specs for a drag racer than a highway cruiser, well, the 2018 Cobra Jet does come straight from the factory as certified for competition and National Hot Rod Association drag racing events, which is good, because none of these cars will be street legal. In fact, they won't even have vehicle identification numbers, so they can't be registered. The 2018 Mustang Cobra Jet will be available this summer for somewhere around $100,000. I'm Jeff Ranke, and this is IEN Now.